Hello, we're back. So if you've been following us, you'll remember that last educational video we talked about polynucleotides, and today it's about exosomes. These two are very popular biostimulators in the aesthetic market right now, and from what we've experienced, they are highly effective in repairing the skin. Exosomes were discovered in the 1980s. They were initially thought to be waste products of cells, but later discovered they're responsible for that cell-to-cell communications. Exosomes are the super tiny little extracellular vesicles produced by most cells in our body. They carry specific messages for the other cells. Think of them as little mailmans who carry certified mail to other homes.
I like that analogy.
They can come from platelets, mesenchymal stem cells, or human-derived plant cells, also known as plant-derived extracellular nanoparticles, PDEN, or lab-grown synthetic. They contain bioactive ingredients such as lipids, proteins, peptides, growth factors, and nucleic acid. Just like polynucleotides, exosomes are applied topically after we've created microchannels on the skin. Since they are nanoparticles in size, they are readily absorbed into the skin and can easily slip in and out of cell membranes. When these exosomes bind to other cells in the body, they unload their messages onto them. For the skin, these messages translate into cell maturation, differentiation, increased blood vessel production, and decrease in inflammation. Exosomes for topical use is fairly new in aesthetics, but is gaining a lot of recognition due to several promising therapeutic and anti-aging benefits. Some of these anti-aging benefits include skin rejuvenation by boosting collagen production, resulting in firmer skin structure with improvement in elasticity. It can also increase skin hydration, increase production of extracellular matrix and growth factors, resulting in improved skin quality and healing. They increase formation of new blood vessels, leading to increased nutrient and oxygen to the skin, and further speeds up the healing process. They help repair skin damage from the sun, acne scars, and wounds. It also reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and the appearance of dark spots and other discolorations. Finally, it protects the skin from environmental stressors.
So you may be wondering, what are the differences between exosomes and polynucleotide? Let me break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. So exosomes are extracellular vesicles, and their primary function is intercellular communication. Exosomes carry a variety of bioactive molecules such as proteins, lipids, growth factors, cytokines, and nucleic acids, such as messenger RNA and microRNA. When exosomes are introduced into the skin, particularly after procedures like microneedling or laser resurfacing, they bind to target cells and transfer their contents. This activates a cascade of signaling pathways that promote enhanced cellular proliferation, angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels, collagen and elastin synthesis, and anti-inflammatory responses. By delivering specific signals to skin cells, exosomes can stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, enhance overall skin texture, and promote skin regeneration and healing. In contrast, polynucleotides are polymers of nucleotides, which are the basic building blocks of DNA and RNA. In aesthetics, polynucleotide-based treatments typically are derived from purified DNA fragments, often sourced from biocompatible species like salmon. Polynucleotides exert their regenerative effects primarily through stimulating fibroblast proliferation, enhancing extracellular matrix remodeling, increased hydration by binding water molecules, and reducing oxidative stress at the cellular level. Polynucleotides are biostimulators that activate fibroblasts, which are responsible for producing collagen and elastin. They provide structural components and promote an ideal environment for wound healing, collagen remodeling, and long-term tissue regeneration. So while both can help with skin repair and rejuvenation, they do so in different ways. At Pureaty Aesthetics, we believe that your skin deserves the best advanced treatment. That's why we only use the finest biostimulatory therapies like the Promo Italia V-Tech synthetic exosomes and the Benev Regenerative complex. For optimal results, we highly recommend combining these biostimulators with your laser or microneedling treatment. Trust us, your skin will thank us later. If you want more information on the services that we offer with these biostimulators or have any questions, feel free to contact us by clicking the link below. As always, we'll see you in the treatment room. Bye!